Good morning, I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. US stocks surged on Friday with the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite securing their strongest week of 2024, buoyed by anticipation for the upcoming Federal Reserve rate cut. The S&P 500 climbed 0.54%, nearing its July all-time high. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite added 0.65%. Both indexes extended their winning streak to 5 consecutive days, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average jumped 297.01 points or 0.72%. Utilities, communication services and industrials led the market sectors on Friday, with each sector gaining approximately 1%. Health recorded the fewest gains. Investors continue to accumulate shares of mega-cap tech and semiconductor companies, fueling this week's rebound rally after recent underperformance. Semiconductor powerhouses Super Microcomputer and ARM Holdings surged by 3.4% and 5.9% respectively. Alphabet added 1.8% and Uber jumped over 6%. Moderna shares tumbled over 2% after JP Morgan downgraded it to underweight, citing revised revenue forecasts. Oracle announced a boost to its fiscal 2026 revenue outlook and strong 2029 guidance. Aptiv plc stock climbed nearly 3% as CEO Kevin Clark snapped up 30,000 shares. For the week, the S&P 500 rose 4% and the Nasdaq Composite gained 5.9%, marking their best weekly performances of the year. The Dow advanced 2.6% during the same period. Wall Street is now focused on the Fed's policy meeting on September 17 to 18, where a 25 basis point interest rate cut is widely anticipated. The Fed's current target rate is between 5.25% and 5.5%. Economic data signaling a moderation in inflation further supported the case for a rate cut. The Consumer Price Index in August came in at 2.5% on an annualized basis, the lowest level since February 2021. Wholesale prices rose 0.2% in August, in line with expectations. And looking ahead to the Australian landscape, the SPI futures are pointing to a 0.2% gain. Thank you for listening.